Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Microsoft Excel cannot edit macro on a hidden workbook error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix cannot edit macro on a hidden workbook error using 6 fixes. Solution 1. Unhide the workbook. Since you are facing this error, you may have hidden your workbook to safeguard it. Simply need to unhide the workbook from the View tab before accessing the macros. Open your Excel file. Go to View. Unhide from the Windows section. Select the hidden workbook you want to unhide from the Unhide window. Click OK. Solution 2. Save the document in XLSM format. The next method you can try is to save the file in macro-enabled format. If your workbook is saved as .xlsx, macros won't run or be editable. You need to save the file in the .xlsm, macro-enabled, format to fix the error. For this, open your Excel file. Go to File. Then Save As. In the Save As type dropdown, choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook then Save. Solution 3. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause cannot edit macro on a hidden workbook error. To fix this, disable the faulty add-ins in Excel. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 4. Enable macros. In some cases, Excel may block macros for security purposes. That's especially true if it is from unknown sources. So, if the macros are disabled, enable them through Trust Center settings and solve the problem. To do this, go to File, then Options. In the Excel Options dialog, click on Trust Center in the left pane. Click on the Trust Center Settings button on the right. In the Trust Center dialog, select Macro Settings in the left pane. Choose Enable All Macros or Enable Macros with Notification, depending on your security preferences. Solution 5. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Then click Open and Repair then Repair. Solution 6. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Excel cannot edit macro on a hidden workbook. Unhide the workbook using the Unhide command error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.